Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you're doing great. Whenever you ask a Redmi fan what's their favorite Redmi phone, most of them will answer Redmi K20 or K20 Pro because the phone created so much hype at the time of launch. For the price somewhere around 20 to 23,000, the phone was launched with in-display fingerprint sensor, pop-up selfie camera, full view AMOLED display, and really great design. Personally, we are still using one K20 mobile in our office itself. Even after so much wear and tear, the phone is still sturdy and durable. After K20 and K20 Pro, Redmi didn't launch any K series phones in India. Finally, today they launched their second K series mobile, the Redmi K50i. In this video, let's unbox the phone and see whether the K series still carry its legacy or not. Let's get into the video. First, let's unbox the phone. This is the media kit box of Redmi K50i. Let's open the box. On the right side, we have a small pouch with live extreme text printed on it. Let's open this clip. On the top, we can see the invite card for Redmi K50i launch event. Next, this is the retail box of Redmi K50i. Let's take out the box. On the front, they mentioned Redmi K50i. On the back, phone features, color and IMEI details are mentioned. On the top, we can see the box content and RAM and ROM variant. Let's cut the seal and open the box. On the top, there is a small box which has SIM ejector tool, manual, warranty card and TPU case. Let's take out the phone, remove the wrapper and remove the back sticker. Let's turn on the phone and put it on the case. Finally, on the bottom, we have 167 watts charging brick and one Type-C charging cable. First, let's talk about the design. The phone comes with full plastic body design and it has dual tone matte finish on the back. Also, the phone comes on 3 color variant. The one we have is Phantom Blue and the 2 more variants are Stealth Black and Quicksilver. When it comes to one-hand usage, the phone weighs overall 200 gram and 8.87 mm thickness. Even though the phone is slightly on the heavier side, Redmi did really good job on weight distribution. With 20.5:9 aspect ratio, the phone feels fine for one-hand usage. When it comes to bezels, the bezels are slightly bigger on the K50i, especially on the bottom side. We felt if the bezels was less, the phone would have given more premium look. As we seen earlier, both backside and side frames are made up of plastic. The back panel edges are slightly curved and the frames are boxy. This design gives good grip, also makes the phone doesn't feel bulky on the hand. Overall, when we talk about the design, the phone looks decent. Even though it's slightly on the heavier side, it doesn't feel bulky on the hand. Next, let's talk about the display. The phone comes with 6.6-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with adaptive refresh rate from 30 to 144 Hz. Also, the phone has HDR10 and Dolby Vision support. When it comes to protection, the display has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Also, the peak brightness goes up to 650 nits. Both on the indoor and outdoor usage, the display is clear and visible. Overall, when we talk about the display, most of the phones in this price segment comes with AMOLED display. But even though it's LCD display, the quality of the display is really good. Realme used very high quality LCD display on this phone. The media consumption experience was really great. While testing the phone, sometimes we even forgot it's a LCD display. The display is that good. Next, when we talk about ports and buttons, on the bottom we have a SIM tray with dual SIM support and the phone support up to 12 5G band. Next, we have mic, Type-C port and speaker grill. On the right, we have volume rocker key and power button. The fingerprint sensor is also integrated with power button. Finally, on the top, we have 3.5 mm audio jack, speaker grill, secondary noise cancellation mic and IR blaster. When we talk about the speaker, the stereo speaker's output quality is really good and there is no distortion at the higher volume. When it comes to OS, the phone comes with MIUI 13 on top of Android 12. The last security patch update received was on June. Compared to MIUI 12, MIUI 13 has been improved a lot. Also, the phone comes with very less bloatware and you can uninstall it. And MIUI has this special feature, other than bloatware, even you can uninstall some unwanted system apps. Next, when it comes to camera, the phone comes with 16 megapixel selfie camera with aperture 2.45. The quality of the picture output was decent. Also on the front, you can record max 1080p at 60 frames per second. The video quality is also decent. On rear, we have a triple camera setup, 64 megapixel Samsung GW1 primary sensor and 8 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro sensor. The picture output quality from the main camera was nice. Also, we had the samples of ultra wide and macro camera. When it comes to video, max you can record 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second. Overall, it's a decent camera with average picture output. When we talk about battery and charging, the phone comes with 5080 mAh battery with 67 watts fast charging adapter on the box. On an average usage, you'll get more than 1 day of battery life. Finally, when we talk about the processor, the phone comes with MediaTek 8100 processor. Also, the phone has 270Hz touch response rate and it comes with liquid cooling system 2.0. Both on multitasking and heavy gaming, the chip performs really great. Also, we didn't find any heating issue during our testing. Overall, it's a great processor for both day-to-day tasks and heavy gaming. Next, when it comes to RAM and storage, the phone comes comes with LPDDR5 RAM and USF 3.1 storage. And the phone comes with 2 RAM option, 6GB or 8GB, and comes with 3 storage option, 128GB, 256GB or 512GB. Also it has expandable RAM option, you can expand up to 3GB. When it comes to price, the 6 128GB is priced for 26,000 and the 8 256GB is priced for 29,000. For the price of 26,000, you are getting phone with amazing display, decent design, decent camera, good battery backup and excellent processor. If you ask me the phone offers same value as Redmi K20 series at the time of launch, I would say no. But still it's a great phone to consider if you are looking for a smartphone under 26,000. Hope you will find today's video useful for you. See you on the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.